Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to see Instagram group chat. Alright, let's begin. To find group chats on Instagram, open the Instagram app and go to your messages by swiping right from the home page. Once you're in messages, tap the search bar at the top. There are two ways to find group chats. First, you can search for the name of the group chat if you remember it. For example, if the group chat is called Hi, just type that in the search bar. If it exists, it should show up at the top of the list, and you can tap to open it. If you don't remember the group chat name or that doesn't work, try searching for a member who is part of the group chat. Type their Instagram username into the search bar. When you find their profile, you'll see your personal chat with them and any group chats you both belong to listed under their name. Tap the group chat you want to open. So those are two simple ways to find your Instagram group chats. Hopefully one of these methods helped you locate the chat you were looking for. So that's basically how you can see Instagram group chat. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.